do some shows, that's the recipe. My little small town has made me who I am today. Without the countryside on me, there is no better way. See, I can make a fortune, but I don't need those fancy things. All I need is God, faith, and my family. Maybe a new truck, Chevrolet with lift kits. Spend the rest on my mom, my dad, my wife, and kids. Here, we drink, we shout, we turn the music up too loud. Round here, we sing, we kick it too, like Johnny and Jim. Round here, we work, we play in the dirt, we love till it hurts. Round here, we fight for the things we believe is gonna take it overseas. You never know what you might get if you come around running your lips. Around here, I'm happy this is where I'm from. I wouldn't wanna be nowhere else around here. A long way from the kid that I used to be. I grew up and finally got myself a J.O.B. I never gave up when everybody doubted me. I took it in but tuned it up, and hell for I'm doing great. The town where I grew up didn't have much, but it's taking me to big drinks and growing up. What you growing, you should thanks you will, baby. I shine a light, oh so bright.